Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Akura Bliss. Today's recipe is dry fruits laddu. Ingredients required are 1 cup of dates, 1 cup of sesame seeds, half cup flax seeds, 1 cup cashew nuts and 1 cup almonds, and 1 cup sunflower and pumpkin seeds, 1 cup pista and 1 cup peanuts. Take a pan, add 3 spoons of ghee in it. Once the ghee is slightly heated, add almonds and stir them continuously. Keep the flame low. Roast these almonds for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are slightly roasted, add peanuts and roast them for 3 more minutes. Then add our cashew nuts and then roast them for 3 minutes. Make sure you are stirring continuously so that the nuts don't get burned. Now add our pistas and roast them for 2 minutes. Once the nuts are roasted, take them aside into a plate. Now in the same pan, add 1 more spoon of ghee. Then add our flax seeds and sesame seeds. Stir them continuously and roast them. Once they are roasted, then add our sunflower and pumpkin seeds and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are roasted, take them into the same plate. Once these are completely cooled, add them to a chopper and grind them coarsely. Then take our dates into a mixer jar and make them into a smooth paste. Now heat up the pan and add 2 spoons of ghee. Then add this dates paste and stir. Once this paste loosens, add our dry fruit mixture and stir continuously. And then take it onto a separate bowl. Now mix them with your hands so that they'll mix evenly. Once it is evenly mixed, make them into round balls. Our delicious dry fruit laddus are ready. You can store them in our airtight container once they are completely cooked and store up to 1 week.